Let's upgrade our nighttime curb appeal by replacing these builder-grade outdoor lights with some cool Matter-compatible smart lighting from Govee. I've got 3 lights I'm going to be replacing today. So we've got one here at the door at the front entrance, and then on the garage, we've got a couple more lights on either side of the garage. And then up here is a pot light, and we're gonna replace that as well with the Govee light. You can see I've also got some permanent outdoor lights. These are also from Govee, and the outdoor lamppost. This is gonna be really exciting, so let's get these installed. In the box is a user guide and installation instructions. Then there's the light itself, just a couple of wires as you can see, more LEDs on the side, a nice textured stripe pattern on the front with of course a subtle Govee logo all in black. In addition to the LEDs on the side, there's also a light at the bottom and the top. Lastly is the wall bracket with some screws and some MAR connectors. So you've got a wall plate, you're gonna install this to the house, attach the wiring, which is located here, and then there's screw holes here that'll connect to this wall plate. So you take the wall plate and line it up with the screws, and then just screw it in on the side, and we should be good. So let's give this a try. Overall, I don't think I could have expected an easier installation. In total, it only took me about 20 minutes to install all 3. Next, I installed the Govee 4-inch pot light. This pot light was on the same circuit as my outdoor wall lights, and since smart lights require access to constant power, it meant that this pot light would have to remain on at all times, so it made a lot of sense to switch this out to a smart light as well. This was another super simple installation. These are canless lights, so they connect to an LED driver. Simply connect 3 wires together, tuck in the driver, and snap the pot light into place. Now that I've got all 3 of these lights installed, let's turn the power back on and see if it works. Breaker on. Setup is easy as always in the Govee app. I love how Govee automatically recognizes their nearby devices to make adding the devices so fast and easy. Be prepared to install a firmware update the first time so your lights are on the best software version. So let's talk about what these lights can do, starting with basic normal light. These wall lights look sleek, and they help to set my house apart simply by using them with basic white light. They provide a much more custom look while providing bright light to illuminate my house. They have a max brightness of 1200 lumens. I can control these lights individually or as a group from the Shortcuts tab. The shortcut makes controlling all of my UpDown wall lights easier. Honestly, white light is probably what I'll use most of the time. From the Govee Life app, I can dim these lights, and I can adjust the white light from warm to cool between 2700 and 6500 Kelvin, so you can find your perfect white. Govee also makes it easy to put these on a schedule, so I can schedule them to turn on automatically at sunset and then turn off at sunrise. While I'm a fan of simple white light, sometimes I want more. Choose any color imaginable from the Govee Life app. But these UpDown lights have lights on the top and the bottom and even on the sides, and they're all individually controllable, so you can create your own custom color combination. This is a great way to personalize your home and show your personality. And for those times that you want to have fun and make your house pop, try using one of Govee's pre-built scenes. As always with Govee, there are tons to choose from. Some of my favorites include I'm really glad I added this pot light as well. It's 900 lumens, I can adjust the brightness, tune to my perfect white, and add some color or set a fun effect. What makes these lights even more unique is the outer ring of these lights also lights up. So I can use one color in the center and another on the outside. But that's not all, because I can use multiple colors on the outer ring, which includes 6 lighting zones that you can customize to your personal liking or use as part of a fun effect. Together, these UpDown wall lights look amazing when paired with the pot light, though I'm taking this up another level by including even more Govee lights. On the outside of my house, I'm also using Govee's Outdoor Permanent Lights Pro. and their outdoor lamppost that I showcased earlier this year. One of the reasons I love Govee is because not only do their products work well and look great, but they're even more amazing when grouped together with other Govee products. And since Govee has lighting products for almost any situation, it makes them a really easy company to go with for all of your smart lighting. Also, almost all of their new products now work with Matter, so regardless of your smart home ecosystem, they'll work with your favorite virtual assistant. To bring all of these lights together, I'm going to create a dream view in the Govee app. I'm going to create one for scenic, and then add all of the outdoor lights that I want to include. Now I can trigger scenes that will work with all of my outdoor lights. Here are some of my favorites. These UpDown wall lights work with Google, Alexa, and Matter. Even though I'll mostly use these in the Govee app, I only add new lights if they work in Apple Home, and luckily, Matter allows me to do just that. Simply grab the Matter code from the settings and then paste it into Apple Home so you can include these lights into your HomeKit scenes and automations. As you've seen, I'm using these UpDown wall lights at the front of my house, but they'll work anywhere where you have wall lights installed in your home. I think, for example, these would look amazing on a patio or by a pool. These lights are rated at IP66 for protection against dust, heavy rain, snowstorms, and other extreme weather conditions. These lights are also UV protected, so they'll look amazing for years to come. I want to thank Govee once again for sponsoring this video and letting me showcase these lights for you. The Govee UpDown wall lights are available today, and they sell in a single pack for $129.99 or a 2-pack for $229.99. These prices are in US dollars. As always, I'll include links in the description if you're interested in picking up some of these lights for yourself. I personally think that these lights look great and they really help to complete the setup of my outdoor lighting at the front of my home. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, make sure to hit the thumbs up. And if you have any questions, then put them in the comments below. That's it for this week. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you soon.